You can see them everywhere in China's big cities. Hundreds of millions of people use apps every day for delivery. But who are these people literally risking their lives to deliver food in time?
说不懂，身上都有摔的伤。
哦，这都是摔车的。
对，腿上这儿都有。
腿上都有。哦。
很正常。
What's it like to be a delivery man in China? To get groceries in China, you don't even have to leave your house anymore. All you need is to order what you want on an app. And this even includes fresh groceries like fish, crabs, or even bullfrogs. We're inside Freshappo, a supermarket run by Chinese internet giant Alibaba. You can see staff running around the shop picking up groceries. So how does it work? Let's say my friend's dad feels like cooking an eel for dinner that night. He places an order with the supermarket via his phone. The live eel is killed, prepared, packed, and then sent to the back of house for collection. The delivery man is on a tight deadline. He has to deliver it in roughly half an hour. Food delivery is fast becoming a part of everyday life in big cities. According to a government report, out of China's 570 million internet users, almost half of them have ordered food online. And the workers powering the $67 billion industry are people like 28-year-old Ren Jiuliang. For the past 3 years, Ren has woken up every morning for another day of racing against time. Ren works for Meituan, the largest food delivery company in China.
特别紧张，反正感觉就每天骑车吧，有根弦儿绷着一样，就随时特别眼疾手快，反正骑摩托车对吧？越堵着路上也特别危险。
Depending on distance, drivers usually only have about half an hour to 40 minutes to make a delivery. Got my groceries! He says he can tackle 40 to 50 orders a day and gets paid about $1.50 per order at peak hours. But if he's late, his pay gets cut in half. That's why the lunch hour is a mad dash for delivery drivers. Many of these drivers are young men who left their small towns for bigger paychecks in the cities. They're known within China as migrant workers. Meituan says over half of its 2.7 million drivers are migrant workers, and in big cities like Beijing and Shanghai, that figure is up to 97%. Nationwide, over 70% of its 2.7 million drivers come from the countryside.
我老婆现在跟我在一块儿，刚来也是来北京打算找工作上班。我儿子在家里边，我妈妈带着，想啊，没办法，生活压力只能这样。现在不挣钱，将来没办法养活他们，对吧？
Ren earns about $1,100 per month, which he says is nearly 3 times what he could make at home.
要是现在没有个一技之长，出去上班挣不了这么多。钱方面还是比较满意的，就是比较辛苦点，累点。
Many drivers are not hired as full-time employees, but as contractors or even freelancers. As long-time labor researcher Liu Kaiming notes, they can be in for a tough ride.
所以说完全是一种这个叫靠这个工作量这个来获得劳动报酬的一种不稳定的非正规就业的这种劳动者。这些外卖小哥呢，他们一般都不是本地人，很多人都不是本地人。那么他会离开回家，那么只要一回家，那么就没有工作就没有收入。
Apart from that, drivers face an even bigger issue: safety.
说不准，身上都有摔的伤。
哦，这都是摔车的。
对，腿上这儿都有。
腿上都有哦。
很正常。这是第3个摩托，有一个那天直接摔报废了，也有人不喜欢，真的。我们能理解，我们出去吧，遵守原则， 正常不闯红灯儿，对吧？正常行驶，但是有的就保证不了。汽车危险就是有时候骑得快了，我们赶时间。
Traffic accidents involving delivery workers appear to be on the rise. In Shanghai alone, drivers were involved in over 320 traffic accidents in the first 6 months of 2019. That's an average of nearly 2 accidents per day and nearly triple the annual figure in 2017. Shanghai police have begun installing chips in driver's license plates so they can track them for traffic offenses. Despite the dangers, Ren says he's still happy with his job, but he doesn't see himself on the bike forever.
完了，也不可能说长期一直在送外卖，人嘛都是有理想有目标，手里边有点钱，想着做点小生意了。
Next up, we're taking a deep dive into the topic of single motherhood in modern China. What kinds of cultural backlash do single moms face? And why do some women choose to become a single mom nowadays? Stay tuned for the next episode and subscribe to Goldthread.